Little pig, let me in.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is HuS from HuS TuBe. Today we have a small little review about a board game. So a board game called Three Little Pigs. So I want to do a review about this because first of all I like to play board games. We have a little bit board game club with some friends, and mainly I want to get my daughter to start and understand some how board games work, so to develop her brain and mind. She's 3 years old, so this is the perfect way to start it. So I'm gonna encourage your kids to start playing these kinds of things too. So this one is from GOULA, or how, I don't know exactly how you pronounce it. I bought this for her birthday and she loves it, she loves it, she loves it. The objective of this game is you have the three little pigs. You have the wolf, so you have to beat the wolf by putting down the three little pigs in their homes. So let's start with what's in the box. So what do we have in the box? So we got this little sided papers how to play the game. We got 6 tiles, we got a dice, we got the 3 little pigs and the wolf, we got the gameplay board, we got another piece of the board and the house. Let's get to the setup. So here we are, we got the 3 little pigs on the starting point, we got the wolf back there, we got the house, we got the tiles set up like this on the specified spots, and we got a dice. We got a dice with a black color, that means the wolf goes 1 step ahead. We got yellow, we can put this pig 1 step ahead. We got the flower, so the flower means you can pick up a tile, and the white one means that you can choose which pig you want to move 1 step ahead. After that, the tiles underneath the flowers marks 3 little pigs. That means the 3 little pigs, each one can take a step. And also we got the, oh, I'm sorry about that. We got the bad wolf. So that means the wolf goes 1 step ahead. So that's how the game is being played. So the game is a co-op game. You can play against the board, you play all together. So let's say you roll the dice, you get white, you choose 1 pig, go 1 step ahead, and so on. And the objective is to beat the wolf to the house, so the pigs are safe. So this is the game, give it a try. It's a very fun, very nice game. My daughter even woohoos for the dog to win, so it's a little bit twist. So yeah, that's the game. If you wanna check it out, it's called Three Little Pigs. Three Little Pigs by GOULA. It's 2+ people. It's in about 10 minutes. You finish in about 10 minutes, and it can go up to 4 players. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more board games coming up. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.
Once a pig built up a house. The house was a straw that he bought from the town. One day a wolf came and saw the little pig. He came to the pig's door and then the wolf said, little pig, let me in. Not by the hairs of my chin. So I huffed and I puffed and I blew that thing down. Next thing I knew, he was running around, so I chased that pig down. Wanted some bacon, so I had to go to his big brother's house and I blew that thing down. Little Red Riding Hood didn't ride home, so I'm